In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete meeting events on Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and sign in to your account if you are not already logged in. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where Teams keeps the main navigation options, and the one you need for this task is Calendar. Go ahead and click Calendar to open your schedule and view all of your upcoming events and meetings. After the calendar opens, take a moment to find the meeting event you want to delete. This could be an upcoming meeting, a scheduled call, or any event you previously created in Teams. When you locate the correct meeting, click on it once. A small pop-up window will appear, showing a quick summary of the meeting details. This preview helps confirm that you've selected the right event before making any changes. From that small meeting window, look for the expand icon and click it. This will open the full meeting details page where you can see more information and access additional options. Expanding the event is important because the delete option may not always be available directly from the small preview window. Now that you're on the full meeting details page, go to the top left area of the screen. There, you should see a button labeled Delete, or in some cases, Cancel Meeting. The wording can vary slightly depending on the type of event or the version of Teams you're using, but both options are used to remove the meeting from your calendar. Click that button to continue. A confirmation pop-up will then appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the event. This is a final check to help prevent accidental removal, especially if the meeting was important or shared with others. If you're certain you want to proceed, click Delete in the pop-up window. Once you do that, the meeting event will be removed from your calendar, and that's all there is to it. As a quick tip, before deleting any meeting, make sure it's the correct one, especially if you have several events scheduled on the same day. If it's a meeting with other participants, canceling it may also notify them, so it's a good idea to double check before confirming. And that's how to delete a meeting event on Microsoft Teams.